And what's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today we get loot boxes in Discord app. All what you need to do guys, just open your Discord and click this gear and you will see here loot boxes. Open it. As you can see guys, we can get here some stuff. I really don't know what we can get in these loot boxes, but I try open it with you live now. Just go here and click open new box. Click this. As you can see guys, I get 2 soundboard sounds. Just open it like me. Now I get another new soundboard. As you can see guys, I got duplicate soundboard, but I want to finish this 2 section. I just need 1 sound to get this reward, and I finished all this sound. This is the last piece of sound, and you will see like me, you found all items, claim your limited reward, and go claim your reward. And you will see you get clowned. This is the new decoration for your Discord profile, and go change decoration and apply it to your Discord. If you open your Discord and you don't see your new decoration, just click on you, go on this and go edit server profile and go here user profile, and you will see avatar decoration. Click this and choose your new free decoration. Go apply and save your changes. Also jump in our Discord guys and you can see our new decoration. And that's all guys for this Discord event, and I see you in next video. Bye guys.